Alright, so this is the second part of our grouping our dataset series and using pandas. So let's begin. So first let us import the library pandas and let me connect the runtime. Okay, it's done. Okay, so after we import our library, our second part is to see the data, right? So here we have this raw data about army regiment, and we have couple of columns as regiment, company, name, pre-test scores and post-test scores. So let me run this first. Okay, now it says assign it to a variable called regiment, right? So let's do it. Regiment, we'll use pd dot data frame. We'll simply pass our raw data, and it says don't forget to name each column. So columns would be raw data dot keys. Okay, then you simply run this, and in next cell we should print the first row to see how it's looking like. So this is the data set we have now. Then it says what is the mean pre-test score from the regiment Nighthawks. Okay, so from regiment need to find, in regiment we have regiment column, and this shall be equal with Nighthawks, right? Hawks. If it is, then we need to group by it with regiment of pre-test score with the pre-test score. What is the mean of pre-test score? Okay, then we simply have to find the mean of it. So that's it. So the mean pre-test score for Nighthawks is 15.25. Sorry, 15.25. Then it says present general statistics by the company. Okay, so simply regiment dot, we need to group it as per to the company. Then we'll simply have to describe it to see all the statistics. What's company, right? Company. Okay, so this is all like some basic statistics of this company. Then it says what is the mean of each company's pre-test score. Okay, for that again regiment dot, we shall group it as company. Then we'll have to see which column pre-test score, then not function, then simply we need the mean function. That's it. So for the first company it's 6.66667, for second is 15.50. Then it says present the mean pre-test scores grouped by regiment and company both. Okay, regiment and company both, right? So for that we'll use regiment and we'll group it by two column, regiment and company. Then we need pre-test score, right? So pre-test score, then simply you call the mean function, and that's it. Regiment, dragoons, Nighthawks, scouts and their first and second companies and their average pre-test scores. Then present the mean pre-test score group by regiment and company without hierarchical indexing. Okay, so regiment, actually it will be pretty much same. So let me copy this one, and the only change it has says that without hierarchical indexing. So we'll simply use unstack function. Now see what's the, see, it says, I think you were able to see the difference, right? Yeah. Now our ninth step is group the entire data frame by regiment and company. Okay, so to group it, we'll simply call group by, we have regiment, our company, then simply need to find the others. So post test score as well, then simply find the mean of it. Okay, so the whole data frame is been grouped by regiment and company. Now what is the number of observation each regiment and company? So regiment dot oup group by, it says regiment and company, so regiment and company, then we'll simply need to find the number of observations, so we'll use size. Okay, so these are the observations. Now the last one, it says iterate over a group and print the name and whole data from the regiment. So we need to iterate. So for name group in regiment dot, we need to group it, and we need to group by as regiment, as it says regiment, then iterate over a group and print the name. So we'll simply print the name, and we'll simply print the whole data, so the group. And yeah, it says all the regiments with their groups, their company names, everything. So again, we have done another one. So thanks for watching.